A very good morning to class 8 student. Class 8 student, now we are in the first chapter. The name of the first chapter is the computer network. So I hope all of you have done the fill in the blanks. So just take a revision of that one. Revision of your introduction of computer network. So just take a revision of fill in the blanks. Bus topology. Bus topology is also known as linear topology. And the second one is the largest example of WAN wide area network is the ATM banks. All of you can withdraw the amount. If your bank account is in Khatima, if your bank account is in Majhola, you can withdraw your amount in Delhi itself also. That's why we can take it's a wide area network connections. Then the third one, Dash is not an intelligent hub. Which one? Switches are called is known as the intelligent hub. Tree topology is a combination of bus and star topology. Yes, in a bus and star topologies, what had happened in bus step topology? What happens? I tell you a brief of the bus topology. In a bus topology, what had happened? In a bus topology is also known as linear topology. Is this type of topology each node attached directly to a common cable which functions as shear communication medium or the which various other nodes are attached. So this one is called bus topology. And the star topology. What is star topology? Star topology is a topology each node is directly connected to a central node or a hub switch. If any node has to send some information to any other node, it sends the signals to the external central node or hub, which further retransmit the message into intended node. Means first of all is going to clarify which node is going to give a message, then it's gone to the particular node. Then the fifth one, RJ connector is the connected where the cable wire terminates. RJ connector is transplanted on that particular location where the wire terminates. LAN formed use Wi-Fi or any other wireless medium is known as WLAN. Wide local area network. Yes. Then moving forward to the next one. They are true false. In the star topology, all nodes are connected to common cables. False. Network within a city is the metropolitan area network. True. Mode of transmission of data by wires is known as guided media. Yes. A server is also known as workstation. Yes. Railway stations can be done easily using computer networking. True. And we have to do the MCQs also, multiple choice questions. The question tree topology is combination of star and bus. Cost saving is possible in networking due to data sharing and software sharing. Example of wireless media, all of them are the wireless medias, microwaves, infrared, Bluetooth. In all these things you have noted down that wire is not there. That's why all are the wireless media. And the next one, data can be transferred between node and high speed is the topology. Which one? Data can be transferred between nodes in ring topology. Hardware requires for a computer comprise are RJ connectors. They are called the RJ connectors. Then moving forward to the matchups, match the following of topologies with their characteristic. Bus topology is the architecture is very simple and reliable. Ring topology is additional node can be added without impacting the performance of the network. Star topology fault direction is easy. Tree huge network is called huge network is called tree topology. right? So we all, I think all of you have done these all things in your notebook, and now moving forward to the question and answers. Today the work is that you have to note down all the questions in your copies, as well as after noted down in your copies, you have to send it to me through WhatsApp in my personal WhatsApp number. All of you know my personal WhatsApp number is 9953630979. So I'm telling you the answers, as well as I'm sending you the snapshot of the answers in your class group also. So I hope all of you understand. What you need to do is, you first of all you have to note down all the true false MCQs, matchups, and fill in the blanks in your classwork notebook. After that, you have to send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. The name of the chapter, Introduction to Computer Networking. First of all, what you have to do, you have to note down the name of the chapter. Then after, just make a date. Today's date is 5th of May 2021. And then you have to write the first question. The first question are, what are the advantages of computer network? The advantages of computer network are, so many advantages are there. All of you know that. All of you are aware about that, because nowadays what had happened, we are going to work through a computer network, because all of us are connected to each other through a network. Only because of the network it is possible. We are going to make a videos of the of our subjects, and give you the knowledge regarding the subjects, and you are going to take the knowledge through the through this technology, right? So this one is all about the computer technology. What are the advantages of computer networking? Now, the advantages of computer networking is sharing of data and software. Sharing of data and software. We are sharing the data and the software through a computer only, right? Sharing peripherals means whenever we are going to use the same equipment through different computers, right? We have the facility of Wi-Fi, we have the facility of Bluetooth. We are going to connect in a same device. We can connect so many computers in a same device. Yes, because of that we share the peripherals means, like, we have only one printer, one scanner, so we are going to use them. Cost saving, it save the cost also. Yes, it save the cost also. So in the behalf of this, I tell you the things, it's also be a cost saving. Why it's a cost saving? Because through this we have, you know, I'm telling you in brief. Cost saving also, efficiency, and the redundancy, increasing communication, access to remote database. These are the advantages of computers. These are the advantages of computer only. Through the computer, because of the computer only, we get these type of facilities. So now I am going to tell you the brief of that, sharing of data and a software. Sharing of data and software. A network enables the user to share files with each other. For example, computer or different department of an organization may be separated physically, be a distance place, but their data could be stored in a central computer, which can be accessible by all computers. In this way, data can be made available at all time to all users. So because of this one is the advantages of computer, advantages of the network, computer network. Sharing peripherals means laser printer or the larger storage media quite expensive. All of you know that these are the expensive things. Network enables us share such resources and hence reduce the operational cost of any organization. For example, a company with about 50 and 100 computers All of you know that in a company there are near about 100 or 50 computers are there. They can share the resources like scanner, printer, hard disk, etc., which help us to reducing the cost considerably. It's reduce the cost also. Cost saving. The above two advantages. Because of these two advantages, which are those advantages, sharing of data and software and the sharing peripherals, these are the two advantages, help in reducing the cost considerable, sharing of expensive softwares, hardware, peripheral devices, decreasing the operating cost of organization. Efficiency. Efficiency means to bring more efficient and effectiveness into a working system. We can delete, modify, or upgrade the software or data in a single point of time. That means whenever we get any type of update in a software, we can do it through a network only. Redundancy. Sharing the soft copy of a file of report or any other information over the internet reduce the need of hard copies of all documents. Yes, it's redundancy means it's no need of a hard copy if we have a soft copy with us in a system, right? Increasing communication. A computer network offers a powerful, fast, and reliable communication channel among the users of various computers on the network. The internet forms a large network in the world. With the help of the internet, we can communicate efficiently and easily via email, chat rooms, videos, telephone calls, and video conferencing. These increase the communication, right? If we want to send a messages one time, in a one time we can many n number of peoples we can send a message in a single point of time. Yes, because of the internet only. Access to remote database. Access to remote database means this is another important use of network. It is easy for anyone to access any remote database, say for example making airlines reservation or railway reservation. Similarly, online universities, hotels, etc., we can be accessed as the as per the requirement. That means if we are in the hotel area and the railway station is near about uh, 50 kilometers away from that hotel and we want to book a railway ticket, so what we can do is we can do it through online. So it's easy, no need to go to the railway station to go for a reservation. So because of the internet only. So this one is the meaning of access to remote database, means we can access all the data available in our computer, whatever we need at the time of right now. Nowadays what we are going to do, we are using this type of help so many times. We are shopping with the online shopping sites. We are choosing the products and give them a payment through internet, and automatically what had happened, within a 2 or 3 days the product came to our house. Yes, this one is the access to remote database, because we don't have that much of time to go over there and purchase a new product. So it's very easy. So the next question, now moving forward to the next question. This one is the advantages of a computer network. Explain the difference between PAN, LAN and MAN. I already explained you in the class also the difference between PAN, LAN and MAN. Again I am going to explain you the same thing. PAN, personal area network. LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. So PAN network is a computer network organized around an individual person. PAN is a network where 2 or 3 computers are connected with each other. They are personal area network. When we are creating a network in our in one room is called PAN area, or one 2 rooms, in between 2 rooms. If we are going to connect other all the computers in one node, it's called a PAN area. LAN, local area network. Local area network is a network of devices in a room, building, or campus. When we are creating a network in between the room, building, or a campus is called local area network whenever the computers are connected to each other. Man, metropolitan area network is a computer network in a geographical area as region larger than that covered by the land but smaller than the area covered by a wide area network. Means that means it's smaller than the wide area network but larger than the LAN area covered network. Yes, so PAN, LAN, MAN. We already done personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network. Now, moving forward to the third question. Mention one advantage of each of bus, ring, and star topologies. We already talk about the topologies. Topologies are what? What are topologies? We'll talk about that. There are so many topologies: ring topology, bus topology, and the basic meaning of topology is the interconnection or the network of computer has to be done is known as in a known pattern. A interconnection or the network of computer has to be done in a known pattern so that the computer are able to communicate efficiently, and also the person responsible for the networking understand the arrangement of the computer so as to easy diagnose an error. Arrangement of Only the thing is that arrangement of computers and other devices like printer and scanner in a pattern is known as topologies. Only the thing is that arrangement of computers and other devices like printer, scanner in a pattern is known as topologies. These are called topologies. So advantages of bus topology is what? The linear architecture is very simple and reliable. In a bus topology, the linear architecture is very simple and reliable. In advantages of ring topology, data can transfer between nodes at high speed. In a star topology, faulty detection is easier. We can detect the fault of in this topology. Now moving forward to the fourth question, define topology. Why is it beneficial to us? Why we are using the topologies? Why we are not going to connect the computer with each other without the topologies? The answer is this. Arrangement of computers and other devices like printer and scanner in a pattern is known as topology. While choosing a topology, care has to be taken. Our first priority is that we have to care care has to be taken that the installation cost is minimized and the network design should be reliable and flexible. That's why we are following the topologies. So define topologies. Topologies mean arrangement of computers and other devices like printer and scanner in a pattern. The pattern is whatever. Patterns in a pattern is known as topology. Why we are using this topology? While choosing the topology, care has to be taken that the installation cost is minimized and the network design should be reliable and flexible. Now moving forward to the next question. How is the server different from a node? Server, a computer that facilitates sharing of data, software, and hardware resources of the network is known as the server. A computer that facilitates sharing of data, software, and hardware resources on the network is known as the server. Means in a school, in a simple layman language, I give you the example. In a layman language, teacher is the server and you all are the client because you are taking the knowledge from the teacher. Node. Each computer on the network is called a node. Each computer on the network is called a node, and hence a network is a series of point or node interconnected by communication path. A node is also known as workstation or a client, right? So this one is about the answer of how is server different from a node. But the next question, what is the function of hub and a switch? The differentiate between hub and a switch. A hub is a device that allow us to connect multiple computers and devices together in a network. And hub has ports into switch. The cable from individual computer switch looks exactly like a hub. It has the same function as that of a hub, that is to connected multiple computers in a network. So this one is the basic difference between hub and a switch. Explain the type of protocols. The type of protocols are what? Protocols, I already told you, I already explained you whenever I am going to explain the chapter. The protocols are the rules and regulations which we have to follow to doing something. For example, when you are coming in the school, there are some protocols. You have to wear the school dress, and you have to follow all the rules of the schools, like first period, second period, third period, and after that the recess is there, and then after again the periods are there. So you have to follow these rules according to your periods. So explain the type of protocols. Types of protocols are transmission control protocol are two protocols that are used together. They form the backbone protocols of the internet. The internet protocols are there. We have to follow the protocols, otherwise they can't be able to transmit us to communicate with them. Hypertext transfer protocol. These are the type of protocols. First one is a transmission control protocol. The next one is hypertext transfer protocol and file transfer protocol. So there are three type of protocols: transmission control protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, and file transfer protocol. Transmission control protocol are two protocols that are used together. They form the backbone protocols of the internet. So this one is all about the transmission control protocol. And hypertext transfer protocol is what? Protocol that is used for transferring hypertext between two computers. When we are going to transfer the data through a hypertext between two computers are called hypertext transfer protocol, and is particularly used on the World Wide Web. And we are using these things in a World Wide Web. An HTML page is transmitted over the web in a standard way. The standard way is there because without a standard way it can't be able to accept that whatever we are going to write it down over there. Web is the standard way and using the format of HTTP. HTTP is what? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Then the next one is file transfer protocol. What is file transfer protocol? File transfer protocol provides a method for copying files over a network from one computer to another. Its primary use is uploading files to a website. File transfer protocol basically used for uploading the files on a website, right? And the last question, question number 8: what steps will you take to protect your network from the security attacks? Because nowadays what had happened, there are so many security attacks are there in a network. Network security refers to an activity designed to protect the usability and integrity of the network and data. It targets a variety of threats and stops them entering or spreading on your network. To protect a network from security attacks, following steps are taken. The steps are: login password. You have to log in your ID through your login ID and password. Firewall, through firewall. Antivirus software. File permission. These are the points through which you can protect your network from a theft, right? So this one is all about today's class. Students, what you need to do, you have to note it down all the question and answers in your classwork notebook. If you have find it out any type of problem, if you want any clarification regarding any question, you can call me anytime so that I give you the clarification regarding the questions and I explain you as well as in Hindi. I know that I already explained you the same chapter in the class also, and I already explained you in Hindi as well as in English in your class. Then after also, if you find out any problem, you can call me anytime. So students, take care of yourself and wash your hands time by time so that the disease not caused in your body. So take care of yourself, take care of family members. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.